And welcome back to Healthy and Me by Vichheka. Today's video is all about one of the world's favorite fruits, the apple. Sweet, crunchy, juicy, and full of nutrition, apples are more than just a snack. They're a natural superfood for your heart, skin, gut, and even your brain. Stick around to the end because I'll also share 4 amazing apple shake and juice recipes, each with a different health goal: detox, digestion, glowing skin, and energy boost. Let's get started. Supports heart health. Apples are incredibly rich in soluble fiber, especially pectin, which helps lower bad cholesterol, also called LDL. They also contain polyphenols, powerful plant antioxidants like quercetin and epicatechin, which improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation in arteries. Studies have shown that eating apples regularly can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. 2. Aids digestion and gut health. Apples feed your good gut bacteria, helping improve digestion, reduce bloating, and prevent constipation. Pectin acts as a prebiotic, feeding probiotics and improving the balance of the microbiome, your internal health army. A healthy gut means a stronger immune system, better mood, and improved nutrient absorption. 3. Natural weight control. An apple is about 95 calories, but packed with water and fiber, which makes you feel full longer. It slows down digestion and stabilizes blood sugar, great for avoiding cravings and late-night snacking. People who eat apples before meals often consume fewer total calories and maintain a healthy weight. 4. Protects the brain. Antioxidants in apples reduce oxidative stress and protect brain cells. Apple juice in particular has been linked to increased acetylcholine levels, a neurotransmitter that's important for memory and mental focus. This may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and support cognitive function as we age. 5. Fights inflammation and chronic diseases. The flavonoids in apples help neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage cells. This reduces inflammation throughout the body and lowers the risk of conditions like diabetes, cancer, and arthritis. 6. Brightens skin and prevents aging. Apples contain vitamin C, hydrating water content, and antioxidants that keep skin glowing and youthful. They also prevent early signs of aging like wrinkles, dullness, and dark spots. Apple pulp or juice can even be applied to the skin for a quick brightening facial. 7. Strengthens immunity. One medium apple contains around 14% of your daily vitamin C needs, plus immune-boosting compounds like quercetin and kaempferol. These help your body fight colds, flu, and viruses naturally without needing supplements. 8. Supports detox and liver function. Apples help the liver flush out toxins through their fiber, potassium, and antioxidant profile. They're excellent in detox juices, especially with ginger or lemon. Apple juice and shake recipes. Now let's make 4 delicious and healthy apple-based drinks, each one made with 4 to 5 natural ingredients and no added sugar. 1 apple detox juice. Cleanses liver and skin ingredients. 1 large green apple, half cucumber, half lemon, juice only. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, half cup cold water. How to make: blend everything together, strain if needed, and enjoy chilled. This juice flushes toxins, supports liver function, and adds a fresh glow to your skin. 2. Apple Chia Energy Shake. For long-lasting power ingredients: 1 red apple with peel, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, soak 10 minutes, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 2 ice cubes. How to make: blend until smooth and creamy. It's high in fiber, protein, and healthy fat, a great breakfast shake or workout fuel. 3. Apple mint digestive juice. Relieves bloating. Ingredients: 1 apple, 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of lemon juice, half cup water or coconut water. How to make: blend all ingredients and serve with ice. This drink calms the digestive system, reduces gas, and refreshes your breath too. 4. Apple Beauty Shake for glowing skin and hair. Ingredients: 1 apple, red or green, 1/2 banana, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, a half cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. How to make. Blend until creamy and smooth. This one is packed with omega-3, collagen-boosting vitamin C, and antioxidants for your skin, hair, and nails. Closing. So now you know why an apple a day keeps the doctor away is actually true. Try one of these apple shakes or juices today and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Glow from Nature by Vichheka for more health tips, beauty recipes, and nature's wisdom. See you next time, my loves.